Good, excuse the sore throat, but good afternoon, evening, morning, whatever time you are actually watching this. And today I'm going to show you how to do, I mean it is well, it's Christmas time, but this is a beautiful side dish, no matter what dinner you serve it with. But this is a very simple recipe for honey roast carrots and parsnips. Doesn't take long. Well, it won't take long if I remember where I put my peeler. Let's see if we've gone where it is there. So first thing we'll do is very simple. We're going to trim and peel the veg. So what's good about this is it is one pan. So you can just mix it all together, peel, chop, and then serve. Good thing about this, again, it's another example of something that can be done the night before, very quickly. So, this, like I say, been done, or this video being shared just in time for Christmas. However, this can go on any roast dinner or any meal. I mean, this one, for instance, might be going on Perth belly pork dish that I'm doing, and that's what this is for. But this is perfect, a perfect side dish. So, hence we're not with it today. So, yeah, if you're one of the 90% of people who don't watch my content, well, sorry, let me rephrase. If you're one of the 90% of people that do watch my content but haven't subscribed yet, please do leave me please hit that subscribe button, give my video a like and a share. Let me know in the comments below what veg dishes do you like with your roast dinners. So I'll come back when these are nice and peeled. And here we go, nice and peeled later, so I'm just going to roughly cut these on the bias. And then what I'm going to do, flavour it with some spices and roast. Oh, that's done that. We'll wash it briefly as well, because I've just dropped one. But yeah, give them a quick wash once they're peeled. So for me, I always find I'm looking or cooking the same veg. So this was a great, I'm gonna leave, yeah. So yeah, I always looking for new ways or new different types of veg or new ways to cook veg that we eat all the time. So that's just going to get a quick rinse. And whilst that's getting a quick rinse, in the background, we'll get a good, generous parsley. I'm going to finely chop this. I want that parsley really finely chopped. Give the carrots a wash, which it is. I'm just going to transfer that to a bigger bowl. it's easier for me to mix everything together. So parsnips for bowl. I'm going to go in with all our little flavourings. So that. So I'm going to my hand off. Lots of salt. Oh, careful not to throw everything everywhere. Go in with some black pepper. To that, we're now going to go very good. Transfer it over 2 or 3 tablespoons of paprika, about 1 to 2 tablespoons of garlic, good, generous, and 100 ml or so of honey. And then got 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. And then I'm literally just going to get in there and get dirty. There you go, that's the hard part done. My hands are washed. That's quite simple. Just going to get a big enough dish to cook it all in, which I'm going to find down here somewhere. What I'm actually going to do, coat it in baking paper. Baking paper, is that right? So baking parchment, I'm just going to use this. That's perfect. Now it's going to go straight, so add my thing. There we go, beautiful. So all I'm going to do now is put this in the 200 degree oven and come back after 30-40 minutes and it should be perfect. Obviously we're going to check tender. You know you like your veg. You're your own judge on this one. See you on the other side. And there you go, it's considerably longer than I thought. They did take a good 45-50 minutes. However, they are bang on. They're absolutely delicious, soft, but still a good bite to them. And all I'm going to do now is plate them up. And ready to have as a side. A bit messy. Bravo. And there you have it. My delicious herb, honey, rolled carrots and parsnips. Absolutely delicious. Perfect for any dinner really. Anything you want a veg in, particularly roast in it, and even more so, particularly Christmas dinner. However, if you're like I said before, if you are one of the 90% of people that watch my content but aren't subscribed yet, please do and leave a comment below. What do you want to see me cook next? See you later. As usual, don't forget, wherever or whenever you are viewing this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Click links to the right to see some more of my beautiful, delicious recipes. Give that notification bell a ring to be informed of future content. And last but not least, comment below what's on your plates.